Hello again from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois. We're looking at park model trailers today. I can't tell you how much better they are than tiny houses. Park model RVs are recognized by the RVIA and industry-wide, and they're allowed in RV parks and campgrounds across the United States and Canada. Anyhow, we're going to look at a 2019 Woodland Park. This is brand new. It's unit number looks like 6925, and it's a model 252L. So it's a 252 loft, and you can find that on the Woodland Park website. That's a Woodland Park Timber Ridge, new 2019 Woodland Park Timber Ridge. It's one of the brightest trailers that I've been around. It has an island which is movable. This island has 4 stools, and it's kind of a cool concept because you have this great big open trailer and you can push that table wherever you want it. Pretty cool like that. Many features are common to all the park models nowadays, such as sleeper sofas, thermal pane windows. Lots of them have ceiling fans, PVC flooring, a lot of LED lighting going on these days, lots of storage in the cabinets, adjustable shelving in here. There was one of the outside lights. Got drawers, doors, got the soft close hinges on them. See that one closing? Yep. The hutch is nice. Gives you a lot of storage space. Looks like about 18 inches deep or so. Nice hutch. The stools are comfortable, and the counter height is good on the table. Got a swivel rocker recliner, it looks like. I think I'll go try it out. Oh yeah, very cozy chair. We've got extended dormer in here, tall ceiling, and you also have a double loft. So we'll head back towards to the back and go have a look around. You've got the plank flooring on the entire main floor. You got a hall closet. Great big bathroom. This is a pretty sucker chair, I'm telling you. Got a headpan up there for the head. Gives you a taller, little bit more headroom in here. House type toilet, of course. And then my wife says, you got to show them the linen closet. So I always got to show you the linen closet and the towel closet. Yeah, this is shower only, but it's a great big shower. Plenty of room. Got some extra headroom in there. Master bedroom has a pocket door. That's kind of a space-saving type thing. It's got a nice walk-around queen bed. You could probably squeeze a king in there if you had to. Personally, I'm just fine with the queen. Gives you a little more room to walk around them. Got a lot of nice cabinets in here. Got a lot of nice cabinets at the foot of the bed. Drawers and doors. It's all about the drawers and the doors. There's a spot for your TV. So we did step down into the master bedroom. So that tells me there's the house type rear entry door. That's a feature you want to look for in park models for sure. If you got the rear entry door, it's nice to have a house type in swinging door because they work a little better than the non-in swinging. So you get up here, the rear is limited to 5 feet tall, but it's actually a pretty nice space back here. I've heard tell of people putting doors on it. for their kids' room. You have their built-in auxiliary air conditioner. And then this place where I'm sitting right here is roughly queen sized. I'd have to get out the tape measure, but 60 by 80 isn't far off. So there's the rest of the trailer. This is one of the brightest ones I have on the lot for sure. Of course, I got it plugged in and all the LED lights on. But even so, it's a nice, light, bright, airy trailer that gives the feeling of a lot of space. These park models are limited to 400 square foot, but they slice them and dice them a lot of different ways. Okay, so you got your master bedroom in here. Gonna recap and head out the front door. Queen bed, mini blinds on all the windows, hall closet, nice big bathroom, shower with the glass doors, big corner medicine cabinet, big corner vanity, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, dining room hutch, big hutch. It's a nice big hutch. Wine bar, place for your wine glasses. This moves, like I say. It's got nylon skid on it. Got a sleeper sofa. A nice big front room. I could like this trailer. And I'm sure you will also. So anyhow, if you got any questions, call Kelly at 815-849-9089. This is the new 2019 Woodland Park Timber Ridge, and it's model 252L. We only have one of these. It's new, and it's a 2019, and it's discounted. So get a hold of me, and have a great day. Hope you enjoyed my videos. I got 18 or 19 to go. Have a good day. Bye now.